To find the moment of inertia of a solid sphere about its diameter, we draw a diagram. Suppose this is the sphere having the mass m and radius r. Mass m is distributed over its volume. So mass density will be total mass divided by total volume. This will be the mass density. Now, this is the one of the diameter about which we have to find the moment of inertia. This is the diameter and we will take it as a axis. This axis passes through the center. Moment of inertia of a hollow sphere equal to 2 by 3 mr square. We will use this formula and take the elementary mass as the hollow sphere. Suppose this is a sphere of radius, suppose x, it is x, and this hollow sphere has a thickness dx. This thickness is dx, and mass is distributed over its this area. Therefore, area is 4 pi x square for the hollow sphere of radius x and multiplied by thickness. So this will give volume. Therefore, mass of the hollow sphere or the elementary mass is mass density, that is m by 4 by 3 pi r cube into, and the elementary volume, that is the 4 pi x square into, this is the into dx. Here 4 pi will be cancelled by 4 pi and we will have 3m by r cube into x square dx. Using the formula of the hollow sphere, we will find elementary moment of inertia, that is the 2 by 3 mass of the hollow sphere. We have find dm, and radius of this hollow sphere, that is the x square. So this is the elementary moment of inertia. So total moment of inertia will be x will be taken from, to complete the whole sphere, we will take limits from x equal to 0, this center, to x equal to capital R. So it is x equal to 0 to R, 2 by 3. dm is, we have already found, this is the dm, 3m by r cube x square dx into x square. Common term will be taken out, 3 will be cancelled by 3. So it will be 2m by r cube integral x equal to 0 to r. This x square will be combined 4 dx. We will integrate it. It will become x raised to the power 5 by 5. Using the formula, integral x raised to power n dx equal to x raised to power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And put the limit x equal to 0 to capital R. It will give 2m by r cube into, first upper limit r raised to the power 5 by 5 minus lower limit, it is 0. And r cube will be cancelled from this, leave it only 2, and remaining is 2 by 5 m r square. So this is the moment of inertia of a about its one of the diameter.